Welcome to Flores Park, located at 1020 West Etiwanda Avenue in the city of Rialto, a neighborhood park designed for gathering, play, and everyday recreation. As you arrive from the parking lot, you're welcomed into the space that feels open, inviting, and centered around the community. The layout allows for easy access from surrounding neighborhood streets, making it a convenient destination for families, walkers, and residents looking to enjoy time outdoors. Flores Park is named after Anthony Joseph Flores. He was the owner of Tony's Taqueria in Rialto for 20 years before retiring, and prior to that, he worked for the Santa Fe Railway for 42 years. He was a member of the Immaculate Conception Catholic Church and actively involved in the Rialto Kiwanis Club, the Friendship Club, and the Magic Association. He also served as a past member of the California Highway Commission, past chairman of the Rialto School Personnel Board, a former Rialto City Councilman, and past chairman of the Rialto City Personnel Commission. Just steps from the parking area, the playground comes into view. Designed for children to explore and stay active, it features slides, climbing elements, and space for imaginative play. It serves as one of the park's main activity hubs, especially during afternoons and weekends. Nearby, restroom facilities provide convenience for families and visitors spending extended time at the park. Their central location supports gatherings, playdates, and community events. Right along the path, you'll notice open-air picnic tables placed on either side of the walking path. These tables offer convenient seating for family outings, lunches, and small gatherings without the need for a reserved shelter. Continuing along, you'll come to the first of 3 picnic shelters. Each shelter includes 4 picnic tables and 1 barbecue pit, providing shaded space ideal for birthday parties, small celebrations, or casual weekend cookouts. This first shelter offers a comfortable gathering spot close to the main activity areas. The quarter-mile walking trail loops through the park, creating a defined route for the walking, jogging, and light exercise. The trail encourages healthy movement while offering views of the playground, shelters, and open lawn areas, making it a popular feature for daily use. Next, you'll find 3 additional open-air picnic tables along with the barbecue pit, offering more flexible seating and gathering spaces for visitors. As you continue along the trail, you'll notice the expansive open grass area. These flexible spaces are perfect for picnics, casual play, or simply relaxing under the open sky. The open turf gives Flores Park a spacious feel and allows for a variety of uses. Nearby, additional open-air picnic tables and a barbecue pit continue to provide accessible seating and gathering areas throughout the park. Further along sits the second picnic shelter, also equipped with 4 picnic tables and a barbecue pit. This location offers another shaded option for gatherings and provides a bit more separation for groups who prefer additional privacy. Nearby, you'll notice 1 more open-air picnic table, including an area with 2 tables and barbecue pit, offering even more options for casual seating and small gatherings. Continuing towards the far side of the park, you'll find the third shelter. Like the others, it features 4 picnic tables and a barbecue pit, creating consistent amenities throughout the park. Having multiple shelters allows Flores Park to host simultaneous gatherings while maintaining a comfortable atmosphere for all visitors. Like many well-loved community spaces, Flores Park is a hotspot in our city and experiences challenges that come with regular use. From ongoing maintenance to ensuring cleanliness and safety, continued community care and city support help keep the park welcoming and enjoyable for everyone. Whether you're here to celebrate under the picnic shelters, explore the playgrounds, walk the trail, or simply to relax, Flores Park remains a central hub for recreation, connection, and community pride.